Hi friends, it's Suzanne here from SuNN.com, bringing you the May 2023 edition of Crafting at the Lake House. This crafting event took place in Kelowna, BC, Canada, right on the beautiful Okanagan Lake. The annual catalog was celebrated in the projects, so look for new, fresh ideas. There are 12 projects featuring 12 different Stampin' Up! Products, plus 2 bonus projects in this fun video mini-series. There is a link in the description box below to purchase the written PDF in case you're so inclined. I totally appreciate the support. Thank you in advance. So I do hope you have fun watching the videos and get inspired. Hello friends, welcome to card number 4 featuring the Cheerful Daisies bundle. You can see I have a whole bunch of cardstocks here, basic white thick, lemon lime twist. Inside the 3D Basics embossing folder is Moody Mauve, and it has obviously been embossed. I'm going to attach that to the front of my card. And then I am actually going to do some simple stamping with the lemon lime twist ink. I have the stems from the Cheerful Daisies bundle, and they are going to go on this particular piece of cardstock. I think that's 3.5 by 4.5, and I'm going to stamp the stem thrice, or in not old English, that is 3 times. And I'm just creating sort of like a little happy daisy scene. And then using the, let's see, this is lemon lime twist for the leaves. This is a nice green, actually. I can see this going really well with shaded spruce, just like a granny apple green. This is a lighter yellow color. It's quite lovely, actually. Anyway, so we're doing our little stamping, and then I'm going to put some adhesive on the back, and then I'm going to stick it to the lemon lime twist cardstock. And I end up putting this on the Moody Mauve cardstock that is, again, embossed with the Basics 3D embossing folder. I put it down there in the edge. I didn't like it there. I also didn't like it cattywampus, and so I just ended up putting it kind of straight in the middle. But I digress. This is the Moody Mauve ink, and I'm stamping full strength with the outline. And then the fill-in stamp, I'm going to stamp off and then stamp on my project. So you probably already have known this, and it's probably a good refresher course for everybody, but you can get certain different tones of ink if you stamp off. So if you don't like it full strength, try it twice or even thrice stamped off. So I also stamped the smaller flowers too. And then we are going to stamp the centers with Crushed Curry ink. And then I have a little piece of cardstock up there, top right, and I'm going to stamp with, let's see, this is Memento Tuxedo Black ink, just the wishing you the brightest birthday. So I have some swap outs here. I did this earlier because, sometimes watching people die cut isn't the most fun. So I'm stamping off with Crushed Curry ink, and I'm stamping on the sentiment just to give it a little bit of fun interest. And then I put dimensional adhesives on all of the flowers. Again, like I said, it was cattywampus. I'm like, oh, is that it? It's not it. I didn't like it there. So I have stuck it in the middle just plain as day like that. I think I really just enjoyed the embossing folder so much. I wish that this centerpiece was even smaller, to be honest. But anyway, I digress. So these flowers were adhered with dimensional adhesive, and so was the sentiment. Oh, and have you noticed these little pick tools? Oh my gosh, they're the newest take your pick tools, and they're so much fun. This is the little hooky one. I don't know what it's for, but I sure like it. That is my card for today. You can see all the supplies I used listed below in the video See More section or in the supplies section of my blog. And those fast links are going to take you to my Canadian online store, where I would love the chance to meet you and earn your business. So thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.